Academic excellence. The ISC results of the academic year 22-23 display our remarkable contribution to quality education. With a stellar 100% pass rate, 121 out of 121 students successfully cleared the examination. Celebrating excellence, we honor our top performers, Nikhil Gautam with 97.8%, Manish M and Akshaya CL with 97%, Shivaprakash M and Anagesh RJ with 96.8%, whose dedication and hard work set them apart. Furthermore, the impressive number speak volumes. 33 students scored above 90 plus, 37 students surpassed the 80 mark, followed by 28 students achieving above 70, 17 students exceeding 60 plus, and 6 students surpassing 50 plus. Notably, a remarkable feat was accomplished by 8 students who secured a perfect score of 100 in various subjects, including physics 1 student, mathematics 2 students, and computer science 5 students. We proudly announce a perfect record of 124 out of 124 students passed in our ICC examination 2023, achieving a remarkable 100% success rate. Recognizing excellence, we congratulate our toppers Yatra Bia with 98.4%, Galfia G with 98%, Amrish Roshan and Joshiga with 97.6 respectively. We also celebrate the exceptional accomplishment of our meritorious students. 44 students scored above 90 plus, 39 above 80 plus, 23 above 70 plus, 16 above 60 plus, and 2 above 50 plus. Remarkably, an impressive total of 56 centums were achieved across various subjects, highlighting the depth of understanding and mastery. Moreover, a significant number of students attained perfect scores of 100 in individual subjects. English paper 2, 7 students, biology 10, mathematics 1, history 9, chemistry 4, and computer applications 25. The ISC results. For the academic year 2023, Sharu Niveda emerged as the topper with an impressive 97.25%. Close behind were Vinay S. Harrison and Nalini Priyadarshini, each achieving 97%, and Evangeline Satya 96.25%. Among our students, 26 students attained marks above 90%, 36 exceeded 80%, 20 surpassed 70%, 29 reached above 60, and 6 obtained above 50. Notably, one student achieved a perfect score of 100 in physics and another in biology. The ICSE results. For the academic year 23-24, Harinandana emerged as the topper with 99%, centum in 5 subjects. Brainy Janio followed closely with 98%, achieving centum in 3 subjects. Elshiba Das came in 3rd position with 97.2. Additionally, 10 students secured centum in history and civics, 7 students in biology and computer, 2 students in chemistry, and 1 in geography. The management, principal, and faculty members are proud of this great achievement, and congratulations to all the students. Activities in school. To promote the competitive spirit and to bring out the innate talents of the students, they are encouraged to participate in various co-curricular activities. Competitions like drawing, painting, essay writing, singing, recitation, elocution, dance, fancy dress, and spell bee were conducted during the course of the year. Rotary Club competitions. Our school dominates Rotary Club competitions annually, securing 7 trophies out of 8 this year, and the district collector's ever-rolling trophy backed by Harinandana during the academic year 23-24 in grade 10 and 24-25 in grade 11. The Young Scientist program, part of Kumari Arivial Peravai, aims to equip grade 8 students with valuable skills through activities like poster presentations, report writing, talks on science and social topics, research paper presentations, and ISRO visits. In 23-24, 5 of our students, Aksha, Sushmi, Jeffrin, Asita, and Hannah, excelled, earning awards in various categories. Excel has chartered an extraordinary expedition to NASA, planned for May, with the 26 students and their parents eagerly waiting this transformative experience. All preliminary arrangements have been made, marking yet another milestone in Excel's pursuit of excellence. Spell Bee. In our ongoing efforts to foster literacy, language skills, and healthy competition, we conduct a Spell Bee competition across 4 levels. The first level was held on September 27th, with the remaining 3 levels taking place during the third term. We are proud to congratulate Marofika from grade 1 and Blesswin Samuel from grade 6 for earning achievement with distinction. This year, 20 of our students participated in the prestigious Harvard Model United Nations in Bangalore, one of India's largest MUN conferences. Held in August, the event stimulated global discussions, helping students develop public speaking, diplomacy, and debating skills. Festivals and celebrations. The academic year was marked by vibrant celebrations and meaningful events. On 27th July, the Green Festival highlighted the importance of environmental sustainability. Independence Day was celebrated with patriotic fervor on 15th August. Safety Awareness Day on 30th August emphasized the significance of staying vigilant and prepared. Teachers' Day on 5th September honored educators for their invaluable contributions. Onam festivities brought cultural joy on 12th September for KG students and 13th September for higher classes. The significance of Gandhi Jayanti was highlighted through a special assembly that honored Mahatma Gandhiji's principle of non-violence and truth, while Children's Day was celebrated with a teacher-hosted assembly, marking Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birth anniversary with engaging performances and heartfelt tribute to the dear children. The picnic provided for grade 12 children to Wonderla was a resounding success, creating lasting memories in an alternative educational setting. Sports and games. Athletics stands as a cornerstone within the framework of the 5 A's, reflecting its pivotal role in fostering physical well-being, instilling discipline and nurturing a sense of sportsmanship among our students. Our school achieved a remarkable milestone by securing first position in the under 17 boys category in the CISCE state level Kho tournament 2024-25, with 4 of our students qualifying for the national level. Additionally, 8 talented girls from the under 17 and under 14 categories will represent our school in the national level competitions, showcasing their skills and dedication. Among them, Binish Bala of grade 10 has been selected for the School Games Federation of India, further elevating Excel's sporting achievements. In the CASE State Level Cricket Tournament 24-25, Belgian of grade 10 achieved national selection in the under 19 boys category. Our team secured second place in the CASE Regional Kabaddi Tournament with Hignish of grade 11, Xavier Soni of grade 11 and Amal Robin Bose of grade 12 qualifying for the national level competition. We also earned the runners-up position in the district level Kabaddi Bahubali tournament in the under 19 boys category. Additionally, in the under 19 throwball competitions at Bharati Vidyagendra School, Tirupur, Kirti of grade 10 and Rishona of grade 9 were selected for the national level after securing third place. The CM Trophy basketball tournament organized by Tamil Nadu government and Sports Development Authority at Arthur Anna Stadium, Nagarkoil. Shano Braisha of grade 10 and Ridin of grade 12 selected for the regional basketball tournament 24-25. Ahana SS of grade 7 won the gold medal in Taekwondo at the CSE state level in Pollachi and advanced to nationals. Andrick Delano of grade 10 excelled in shooting, earning gold in the 10-meter air pistol and silver in the 25-meter event, showcasing remarkable skill and dedication. Excel Central School won first prize and 15,000 cash award at the district level Christmas Carol singing competition held at Mar Ephraim College on 23/11/24 with 23 participants delivering an outstanding performance. The school also secured second place and 5,000 cash prize at the state level competition on 6/12/24, showcasing the dedication of the participants under the guidance of Mr. Jim. NCC. Led by Associative NCC Officer Mr. Sherlin, the NCC functioned efficiently with periodic supervision by the parade instructor. Camps were organized at various centers including Scott Christian College in Nagarkoil and Rohini College of Engineering, Anjigram. 48 students participated in the NCC A certificate examination and were awarded certificates on March 20th, 2024. On September 24th, we organized a River Day program to promote the importance of conserving our water bodies and keeping them free from pollution. Additionally, November 7th, we held an anti-cancer rally to mark Cancer Awareness Day. Scout and Guides. This year, we have 200 students in Cubs and Bulbuls, 150 in Scouts and Guides, and 120 in Junior Red Cross. We received the Best Guide Captain Award. Our Cubs and Bulbul visited homes for the physically challenged and the elderly in Mata. As we are about to draw the curtains on the academic year 24-25, it is fitting to reflect on our journey with gratitude and hope. In the words of Helen Keller, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. This year has been a testament to the strength of collaboration, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Through the backing of leadership from our management, the utmost dedication of our students, the ardent support of our teachers, staff and parents, every member has contributed significantly in shaping our collective success. A special note of gratitude to everyone present here today for gracing this occasion with your presence and encouragement. Together, we have built not just a year of accomplishments, but a foundation for future success. Let us move forward with renewed vigor, embracing the opportunities and challenges of the coming year. Let me conclude with the words of C.S. Lewis. There are far better things ahead than any we leave behind. I wish everyone a future brimming with promise and the excitement of even greater things to come.